Pumatay. Gosh.
Kuya, ganito yung...
Grabe yung pawis ko. Grabe ante, nagpudot.
Another day, another Lakwacha. Shakmanen Maki here for another Lakwacha series. For today's Lakwacha, tara at mag-hiking ng not just one, but two mountains, ang Mount Manalmon at Mount Gola, then maglambitin sa Monkey Bridge, and finally, mag-spelunking sa Bayokbok Cave. All in a day trip. Tara, samahan niyo akong maki-Lakwacha. And here we go, officially here at our jump-off point sa Sitio Madlong, San Miguel, Bulacan.
Hi guys, it's 3:56 in the morning.
Off we go to our first destination, ang Mount Manalmon. On our way to Mount Manalmon, may nadaanan kaming hanging bridge, and we even passed by a cave at the start of the hike. We also went through an open trail before finally reaching the parts with more trees. At of course, kung saan din nag-umpisa ang paahon na bahagi ng trail. Madilim pa at wala pang araw, pero yung pawis ko tumatagaktak na dahil sa init. Wala akong nararamdamang hangin habang nag-hike kami, kasi siguro wala kang mahangin. Char! About 40 minutes of walking, we reached the peak of Mount Manalmon, and sakto, kataas na yung araw. Perfect for a sunrise viewing. And of course, this is one of the reasons why hiking early in the morning is really worth it. We only stayed here until the sun fully rose at medyo lumiwanag na. Then, we proceeded to the next summit, ang Mount Gola.
Mount Gola, here we go!
On the way to Mount Gola, pababa naman ang start ng trail. The good thing is, maliwanag na at this time. We even passed by a river with a beautiful mountain backgrounds along the way. Pagkatapos ng pababa ang trail, of course, expect mo na ang kasunod niyan ay paakyat na naman.
Grabe yung pawis ko.
Ay shit, wala siyang rope.
Mount Gola. Here we are, summit.
Di naman halatang pagod na ang person at pawis na siya. At ang hingal, parang bilang na lang. Nagstay lang kami here for about 30 minutes to rest at of course mag-pictorial. Then bumalik na kami sa jump-off station. Another pababang lakaran syempre, and some were an open area kaya sobrang init din.
Back to the jump off. Grabe ante, nagpudot. Wala na bang iinit to?
Pagkarating namin sa jump-off point, nagpalamig lang kami, then proceeded to the next activity which is the Monkey Bridge. Ito yung inaabangan kong activity kaya ako sumama sa lakwatsyang to. Gusto ko sanang i-test kung manginginig ba yung tuhod ko or malulula ba ako, pero unfortunately, hindi. Medyo mababa siya compared sa expectations ko and ang short lang nung distance. Nonetheless, it was a great activity to try and ang saya maglambitin in the air. Lastly, matapos namin sa Monkey Bridge, since maaga pa for lunch, we decided to proceed to our last activity which is spelunking sa Bayokbok Cave.
Here we go, Bayokbok Cave.
From the jump-off point, kailangan ulit maglakad ng about 20 minutes to reach the cave entrance. And yung daan papunta doon, nako, another assault, open trail pa.
Gosh,
Kuya, ganito yung everyday na life mo.
pudot.
Then, we finally made it to the entrance of the cave. Sa entrance pa lang, matcha-challenge ka na agad kasi pababa na agad yung daan and kailangan mag-rappel. Luckily, matangkad tayo so easy lang ang pababa. Char! Of course, if the entrance was already a challenge, mas matcha-challenge ka pa inside the cave since mas masisikip pa yung mga daan na kailangan mong lusutan and taas-baba din yung route sa loob. So, there are times na kailangan mag-rappel. Aside from that, madilim pa at madulas ang daan. So, extra caution is really needed. Nonetheless, the inside of the cave was great. Rock formations everywhere. Ayun nga lang, mas mapapagod ka sa kalulusot sa mga maliliit na butas. After more than an hour, we finally made it out of the cave.
Let's go back to jump off point. We're back to the jump off point.
Oh, dala ba? Pagkainin natin. Congrats!
Pagkarating namin, another quick rest muna bago kami nag-lunch. After kumain, naligo na kami, then went to Minalungo Park for a side trip. Quick sightseeing lang, since sobrang init, then we headed back to Baguio right after. And there we go, another Lakwacha is done, and syempre, joiner ulit tayo. Nakilakwacha lang din, so I booked a trip with Biyaheng Kalikasan, and if you wanna try this adventure, you can check their page for more information and more details. Okay, yun lang, bye!